Opponents of vaccinations staged a protest today at the New York State Capitol. The nation's worst measles outbreak right now is happening in New York, where health officials blame a well-funded misinformation campaign. Dr. Jon LaPook went looking for answers.
How many people in this room do not believe that the information coming from the Centers of Disease Control is correct about vaccines?
Protesters converged on the Capitol building in Albany, New York today, meeting with state legislators. They are trying to kill a bill that would remove non-medical exemptions for school vaccinations.
But the rabbis tell us that there's nothing in Judaism that prohibits vaccination.
It doesn't matter.
Questions were met with heated responses.
Well, the question, I guess, that Pete Bennett...
Think of the Disneyland outbreak. These people are not dying. The herd immunity...
Most of the measles cases in New York have occurred in Orthodox Jewish communities, where an illustrated magazine known as the Peach Pamphlet has been circulating. Public health officials tell us the pamphlet is specifically targeting this community. The pamphlet falsely links vaccines to autism. The overwhelming consensus of the scientific community is that vaccines do not cause autism. The pamphlet's cover says it is a project of parents educating and advocating for children's health, or PEACH. That organization's website posted a statement saying it had nothing to do with the pamphlet, even though it hosted a copy on its website until last month. We found this address listed for PEACH, but nobody there knew anything about the group.
Doesn't sound familiar?
Some of the more established names at today's rally included Robert F. Kennedy, Jr. Recently, some of his family members disavowed his views about vaccines. And Del Bigtree, a leading voice questioning vaccines. Back in March, he used Holocaust imagery to align himself with vaccine skeptics in the Orthodox Jewish community.
For all the Hasidic Jews in New York right now that never thought this moment will come, I am saying, I stand with you.
Bigtree's funding has grown.
Where do you get your funding? What's the largest donation?
I would say that we are being donated to by lawyers, by doctors, by scientists, by entertainers that all believe that this is a discussion that needs to be discussed.
We took a look at the most recent tax filings available for his organization. In 1 year, contributions went from a little over $100,000 to more than $1.4 million.
As these groups gain steam and funding, medical professionals tell us a quiet, non-judgmental approach and a willingness to listen to parents' concerns are the best ways to engage people hesitant to vaccines.
Dr. LaPook, all over this story. Really great, John. Thank you.